Come on, there won't be any agriculturalists in 2024 who don't know about biostimulants. Compared to other fertilizers, in addition to increasing yields, biostimulants have the added advantage of being environmentally friendly. They can reduce the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, they can reduce pollution of soil and water sources, and they can help to achieve sustainable agriculture. BIOAGRI brand launched the plant source 90 amino acid powder is a very good example. Through experiments show that 90 powder can be done to reduce nitrogen by 30% at the same time. The efficacy of the amazing will be enhanced. Sounds very incredible, but this is the fact. Biostimulants are especially valued in organic farming. BIOAGRI insists on the use of cornstarch as raw material, environmentally friendly and sustainable at the same time. The high content of the product is phytonutrient-driven and meets the consumer's demand for healthy raw materials. With rapid advances in science and technology, the future of biostimulants is exceptionally promising globally. These natural growth regulators are in the spotlight for their ability to enhance crop yields and resilience, but their potential goes far beyond that. In the field of agriculture, in addition to improving crop yield and quality, biostimulants can help to realize precision and smart agriculture. They can be combined with modern agricultural technologies, such as plant sensor technology, drones, and satellite remote sensing, to manage farmland in a finer way and achieve optimal utilization of resources. Not content with that, scientists are delving into a variety of new sources of biostimulants, including marine organisms, microorganisms, plant extracts, and animal-derived products. Huaheng Bio, on the other hand, is a leading company in the plant-derived biostimulant industry. Through the excavation and utilization of these natural resources, the industry is expected to discover more efficient and environmentally friendly biostimulants. And these new discoveries can not only be applied to traditional crop growth promotion, but may also show great value in fields other than agriculture. Environmental remediation, for example, is another potential application area for biostimulants. Becoming used in soil amendment applications, they can promote the growth of plants in contaminated soils and help to repair damaged ecosystems, for example, by playing a role in soil remediation after heavy metal contamination or oil spills. In conclusion, research on biostimulants is at an exciting time. With a deeper understanding of their mechanisms of action and the discovery of new applications, the future prospects for biostimulants are full of unlimited possibilities, and they are expected to become an important force in support of sustainable development. If you like our videos, remember to follow our channel. BIOAGRI will bring you more exciting content about agriculture.